Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you another option to wirelessly sharing your Android phone's internet data connection with your desktop PC or laptop. It's another great way to enjoy the internet on a bigger screen instead of your phone screen when you're on the go. Before we get started, make sure you have the following prerequisites in place. Firstly, you need to have your Android phone with data in it. And of course your desktop PC or laptop. If you've got all of these, let's dive right into it. First, let's go to our Android phone and set up for hotspot connection or tethering. Now, on your phone, find the Settings application icon. Inside your phone's settings page, tap on Connections to access the network and connectivity options. On the Connection page, look for Mobile Hotspot and Tethering option and tap it. On the Tethering page, tap on the first option, Mobile Hotspot. On the Mobile Hotspot configuration page, tap on Configure. Then tap on the Security tab and choose any of the bands listed. There are 3 password bands and an open one. For your hotspot security reasons, I recommend you choose the WPA2 band or any other below it. Now, tap and clear the password field and insert your own password that you can remember well and tap on Save. At the Mobile Hotspot page, tap on the switch on the right side to turn on your mobile hotspot. You have now completed setting up your phone for Wi-Fi hotspot or tethering. You can now share your device's mobile data connection with other devices such as PCs, laptops, etc. So let's go to your PC or laptop desktop and look for the network icon on the taskbar and click on it. Now you will see all available Wi-Fi hotspots in the pop-up and choose the one you previously set up on your phone. Enter the password you previously configured onto your phone and click Next. Wait a few seconds and it should show that your PC has been connected to the internet and is secured. You can also confirm this internet connection on the network icon on your taskbar. Now you can pop up your internet browser and enjoy surfing the net using the data of your mobile hotspot data seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.